Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install Shadcn cards using Shadcn in Next.js or React, because the way of doing this is the same for both. So let's get started. So first you need to install Shadcn. Now I've already done that. Okay, I've already made tutorials for how to do that for React and Next.js. You can go and watch those. After you've done your installation and setup for Shadcn, then all you need to do to add the card component is just type in the command npx shadcn add latest add card. Press enter. Now that our card component is added into our project, all you need to do to add the card is just do card, okay, and you can get it from this one, add components /UI/card. Okay, so import that in. Now inside of this component, what you can do is add in a bunch of different things, okay, and each of these has different things within the card they do. For example, you have a card header, okay, and you also have a card content and also card footer. Okay, so the header and footer are going to be at the top and bottom. The content is what is going to be in the center. Okay, and each of these has other components that you can use within them. For example, the card has a card title, card description, and card action. Okay, the next, in the content you can basically just add whatever you want. For example, a p tag, a div, whatever. And in the footer it's the exact same. You can add whatever you want. Okay, for example, I'll just add some plain text in this. For example, let's say a p tag, and I'll say card content, okay, for now. And here I'll just say card footer. Okay, you could add a button or something like that if you want. It's up to you. Okay, actually let me just add a button here. Okay, so let's do button and let's add some styling. Okay, and this is going to be called content. This is, let's say, I'll just write something simple. Title, description, action. Okay, and in this let's also add in okay, and I'll add this, and I'll add auto. Okay, and I'll just save this. Okay, actually even to the card I'll add max width of, yeah, I think that's better. So as you can see, we have a card. Okay, we can add a title, a description, then we can add whatever content we want, like an image, a video, whatever, and then some content under that. Okay, then we have a footer. Okay, we can add whatever we want in this as well. Okay, I've just created a button which does nothing, but you know, you get the idea. The action will be something that ends up being in this area. It gets fixed to this area. Okay, so that's how the card works. Okay, and you can add whatever styling you want to this. For example, I could add in, let's see what happens. As you can see, the text is now white. For some reason this one is not, but the rest has changed accordingly. You can even add more padding to this, margins, whatever you want. So this is how a card works. Okay, so I hope you like this one. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.